Hey everybody, it is Jenn and Kanata. I'm going to share with you my menu plan for Low Spend February. So it is for Monday, February 3rd to Sunday, February 10th. And here's what we're going to have. So Monday we had a stuffed chicken, the ones that you can get at Costco. We had 4 of them, one for each person. And I made fancy craft dinner. So I made a package of Scooby-Doo pasta. It's a 2-pound package, and I only used half of it and added like almost 3/4 jar of cheese whiz. Had that and a salad, a tomato and bocchini cheese ball salad with balsamic vinaigrette. Today is Tuesday, and so today I made Szechuan sesame chicken noodles. So I made them with the Cantonese chow mein style noodles, as well as with udon, and I have leftovers. Tomorrow, I have a annual general meeting for the food cupboard and a pizza party thing, appreciation thing. So I'm going to that for supper, but I'm going to be making ham and potato soup, and the girls can make grilled cheese sandwiches to go with it if they want more than just soup. I'll be on during probably supper time, and hubby is going to be home a bit late, so the girls might just wait till he gets home or I get home, but that's the plan, because I have leftover ham and I have lots of potatoes that need to be used up. Thursday, I was going to be doing my groceries on Thursday, but my friend messaged me saying we're supposed to get snow. And since she comes from the country into town, it's about a 15-minute drive. She does not want to drive in the snow, in a snowstorm, because they don't plow the roads out there first. They do more in the city. We are in the suburbs, and she's even further out west. So it's now going to be pushed to Friday. So I'm going to make burgers. I have some burgers in the freezer. I also have hamburger that I got from that meat order, and I have some buns that are frozen. The other half of the pasta I made here. I'm going to make a pasta salad with it, as well as some coleslaw, and that should be good. And Friday, since I'm doing groceries, it's going to be whatever I find on sale, whatever's marked down, whatever I find on sale. If all else fails, I will have leftovers here, probably leftover soup, because apparently I can't make enough just for my family of 4. It's always like for 10 or 12. So, a Saturday for lunch, I'm going to do leftovers, so try and clean out the fridge of all the little bits of leftovers, have everybody try and eat it up, because there's like 1 serving here, 2 servings here. Some are frozen, some are in the refrigerator. If they do not get eaten Saturday, they will get put in the freezer, and vice versa. And then Saturday night, I have that fresh pasta ravioli from my grocery haul on the 23rd. It's still good till next week, I believe. And I'm going to hopefully clean out my fridge before I do groceries and find that pesto sauce. I'm 99% sure we haven't used it. So if I do that before I do groceries, I will know if I have it. If I don't have it, if it got magically used up without my knowledge, or I'm just losing my mind, then I'll pick up another one at Costco when I do my groceries on Friday. So it'll be either Friday or Saturday, depending on the weather too. So she said she'll either do Friday or Saturday, depending on snow. Sunday we are not going to my in-laws because they are not home, and so my mother-in-law is not home; she's away. So I'm going to make ham and bean soup for lunch. I'm going to throw all the stuff in the Instant Pot before I go to church. Turn the soup button on. When I get back from church, it will be all done. Magic. And I can just soup out the bone and take off any meat still on the bone and throw it back in the soup. And then we are going to try to do sushi for Sunday night. That's the plan. We did not do it this Sunday night because my daughter had a lot of homework and stuff, and she does much better trying to make the sushi with the sushi bazooka than I do. I am not very good at it. It falls apart. Um, and I'm not very good at getting it um, tight as you should. So that is the plan. I know that everybody will like the sushi. I will have the cooked up meats and the raw salmon. I'll take that out of the freezer because it's just been frozen the whole time. And I have fake crab meat too. I have cooked shrimp too. So we could do a whole bunch of different types if we really get creative. Otherwise, it'll be like beef one. Oh, excuse me. Excuse me, just getting tired here. Beef ones and salmon ones and fake crab meat and cucumber rolls. So, well, there we have it. Oh, I'll show you the stuff that we still have of leftover still. There's still Asian ground meat mixture, you know, that mystery meat stuff. I froze it. So there's still that. That's just of the one seasoning. We still have the Asian roll filling, the mixture, beef barley soup, turkey egg noodle, and hot and sour soup.